Standard 8, Subject Maths, Lesson number 15, Area. Children, in previous video, you have completed practice set 15.4. Now let's start with the practice set 15.5. You know how to calculate area of trapezium, area of parallelogram, area of rhombus and area of triangle. You have studied two formulas how to find out area of triangle. One is half into base into height and other is Heron's formula. Okay. Now in this practice set, irregular figures are given here. Okay. And you have to calculate area of those figures. Now how to calculate area of irregular figure? See, here different figures are joined together. So we have to calculate area of those figures and then we'll add all the areas together to get the area of given irregular figure. So let's start with question number 1. Find the areas of given plots. Here all measures are given in meters. Okay. So this is first figure. From the given figure, let's write all the given values first. Length PA is equal to 30 meters. Length AB is 30 meter. Okay. Then length BT is also 30 meter. Length QA is 50 meter. Length BC is also 30 meter. Length RC is 25 meter. Length CS is 60 meter. Okay. Now area of triangle PAQ is equal to half into length PA into length AQ. Okay. This one, this triangle. Okay. PA into AQ. So half into 30 into 50 is equal to 750. Okay. Here you will get 15 5s are 75. So 750 square meter. Length AC is equal to length AB plus length BC. Okay. Length AC is AB plus BC, that is 30 plus 30. So 60 meter. Okay. Now area of quadrilateral QACR is equal to half into sum of the lengths of parallel sides into height. Okay. So QARC is what? This is trapezium. So we can use area of trapezium formula over here. So half into sum of the lengths of parallel sides into height. Half into parallel sides are length QA and length RC. Okay. So half into length QA plus length RC into length AC. Therefore, now substitute values in the formula. You will get half into 50 plus 25 into 60. 60 is height. So half into 50 plus 25 is 75 into 60, which is equal to 75 into 30. Here 2 ones are 2 and 2 3s are 6. So 75 into 30, if you will calculate, you will get 2250 square meters. Area of triangle RCS. RCS. Half into base into height formula we will use here. So half into length RC into length CS. Half into 25 into 60. So here 30, 25 3s are 75. So 750 square meter. Now length PB, if you will calculate, that is length PA plus length AB. So 30 plus 30, 60 you will get. Okay. Therefore, area of triangle PBT. PBT, this triangle. Half into length PB into length BT. Again, PB into BT is what? Height of that triangle. So, here also you will get 900 square meter. Now length BS. BS is what? BC plus CS. So 30 plus 60, 90 meter. Now this triangle TBS. Again BS is base and BT is height. So again same formula will use here, half into BS into BT. So half into 90 into 30. Here 15 nines are, or here 45 also you can do. So 45 into 30 is 1350. Okay, or 15 nines are you can do. Okay, 2 ones are 2, 2 here also 45 you can do. Then this 30 will remain as it is. So 45 into 30 you will get in next step. Okay, so 1350 square meter. Now area of plot PQRST is equal to area of triangle PAQ plus area of quadrilateral QACR plus area of triangle RCS plus area of triangle PBT plus area of triangle TBS. So all the areas whatever we have calculated, all 5 figures you have to add together, it will come 6000 square meter. Therefore area of plot PQRST is 6000 square meter. Now this is next figure. In this figure also we have to calculate area of these 3 triangles. Okay, so given things first of all we'll write. Length AB is 24 meter, length BE is 30 meter, length BC is 26 meter, length CE. Now in this figure in your textbook 28 is written here, but this is measure of full length CE, not only FE, it is CE. So CE is equal to 28 meter and FD is 16 meter, which you have to write here. FD is 16 meter. In right angle triangle BAE, this triangle, we can use Pythagoras theorem. Okay, so length BE square is equal to length BA square plus length AE square. So 30 square plus 24 square is length AE square. So length AE square you will get 900 minus 576, which is equal to 324. So length AE, if you will take square root, you will get length AE is equal to 18 meter. Now area of triangle BAE is equal to half into length AB into length AE. Okay, base into height. So 24 into 18, that is 24, half into 24 into 18 means what? Here 2 ones are 2, 2 nines are 18. So 24 into 9, that is 216 square meter you will get. Now for triangle BCE, length BE is 30. Okay, 30 meter. BC is 26 meter and CE is 28 meter. So you can use Heron's formula here. All 3 sides length you know. So you can use Heron's formula. For that first of all you have to find out semi-perimeter. So semi-perimeter S is equal to A plus B plus C upon 2. So 30 plus 26 plus 28 upon 2. 84 upon 2, that is 42 meter. Now let's use Heron's formula here. Area of triangle BCE is equal to root S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Okay, so substitute all the values. S is 42. 42 minus 30, 42 minus 26 and 42 minus 28. So this 42 into 42 minus 30, first bracket is 12, second is 16 and third is 14. Okay, next step, write factors. Okay, factors if you will write, you will get 42 is 6 sevens are, then 12 is 6 twos are, 16 is 8 twos are and 14 is 2 sevens are. So here you are getting squares of all 3 numbers, 6 square, 7 square, 8 square. Okay, see how you are getting 8 square here. You can add one more step. See, 6 into 7 into 6 into 2 twos are 4, 4 twos are 8. So 8 is there and this 8 will write here and into this 7. So 1, 2, 3. 2 twos are 4, 4 twos are 8. So this 6, this 7 we have written, this 6 we have written, and instead of this 2, 2, 2 we have written 1, 8, and already 1, 8 is there. Understood? And this 7. So here you are getting 6 square, 7 square and 8 square. This way. Okay. So square and square root gets cancelled with each other. So 6 into 7 into 8, that is 356 square meter. Therefore, now you have got area of this triangle. Now next is length CE is 28 meter and length DF is 16 meter. So now last triangle is left, that is CDE. So area of triangle CDE is what? Half into base into height, that is half into CE into DF. So area of triangle CDE is half into 28 into 16. So 2 ones are 2. Here you will get 14. 14 into 16 is 224 square meter. Now area of plot ABCDE is first, second and third. 3 triangles area we have to add here. So 216 plus 356 plus 224, that is 796 square meter. Therefore area of plot ABCD is 796 square meter. Not centimeter here, meter you have to write. Okay. In this way we have completed practice set 15.5.